Hello, right now I will quickly show you the hidden features on your Xiaomi Poco X7. So first of all I will show you the CIT menu, so let's go into the settings, let's go into About Phone, and let's go into this detailed info and specs right here, and we have to press a couple times the kernel version, and as you can see here we have the CIT menu. This is the hidden feature, so that's how to enter this feature. Next we have the device info, and we have to go into internal storage and we have to press it a couple of times, and right here we have the device information, the phone information 1, phone information 2, alright, and Wi-Fi information. So yeah, that's it, as you can see. And the last thing I will show you is the toolbox, and now we will go into this application called security, somewhere here, right there, and all the way down right here we do have the toolbox. As we are all the way down and swipe up again, right here, as you can see, here we have the toolbox, and it's also another hidden feature on the Xiaomi Poco X7. So basically that's all. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.